Hi, my name is Naseer. I'm currently 18 years old and I play for the UAE Under-19 team, and I recently represented the UAE in the Under-19 World Cup held in the West Indies. I think I was like 11 or 12 years old. I was playing with one of my friends. It was actually table cricket, and that's when my passion started for cricket, and ever since then I joined an academy called the ICC Academy in Dubai, and I've been playing hardball cricket since then. PJL is very important because it's got the best youth players around the world, and it's a good pathway into different franchises because a lot of scouts are watching you play, so it's a really good opportunity to play in different leagues around the world. Yeah, I'm very excited. I mean, Abdul Razak is one of the best all-rounders in the world, and I try and copy his batting and copy his bowling because he's like me. He bats in the mid-load and he also bowls right on medium pace. So yeah, I try and learn from him. Obviously, my mom and my dad, they've really played like a big role in my cricketing journey. But I think cricket-wise, I'd say Ben Stokes because I try and play like he does.